everybody. So, in this one, first one, tab, two beans, Windows P, excellent, excellent. So we're supposed to just generate a single uppercase character. So we are going to go char, oops, char, int, Math.random 26, ow, and I believe it is 65, excellent, do it again, cute, wonderful.
For example, like this. Please pause this video and begin writing your code once you have understood. Number 2. Write a new program.
10 random lowercase characters, wonderful. So for this, we'll do for int I equals 0, I is less than 10 because for loops are amazing. I love a good for loop. Instead of 65, we're going to do 97. We can still use those. And we're going to do a little print plus and add some space. 10 lowercase letters. Wonderful. That's what it said, right? 10 random lowercase letters. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wonderful. Alright, what else you got? 3. Write a new code to generate 10 random characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase. Alright, this is where the fun is. So, this is fun. So, we're going to call it rand string. I'm going to say int, rand int. Wonderful. I'm going to say, well, this is how I did it last time. Rand string length is less than 20. And this is kind of fun. But we're going to say 65 plus, and then, what was the math on that? It was 122 minus 65, 58. So 58, and then if rand int is greater or equal to 65, 90. Let's go ahead and add another parentheses. Put that there for a second. Or, excellent, it already knows what I want. Cool. And then if that's the case, then we're going to say that our rand string plus equals char plus a space. And this can go except for SL rand string. So this should work perfect. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. 10 random characters mixing upper and lowercase letters. 1. 4. Upgrade 3 to prompt the user to enter an integer and generate a string of random characters with a length equal to the integer. String should include both upper and lowercase. Wonderful. So, what we can do is to initially my variables. So I'm going to say, or declare my variables at top. So we're going to say s out print enter number of random letters to C. And I just realized what I'm missing, so I'll fix it in just a second. Wonderful. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this times 2. Make sure the prompt is right. Prompt the user to enter an integer and generate string random characters with a length equal to the string. So this isn't it isn't gonna match the. So if I did it like this, they'd be all shoved together. So um, so the reason I'm doing it the other way, I guess, is for formatting, because the way it looks to me, I know it says the length equal to the integer, and technically my length would be twice the integer, but doesn't it look like there's white space in between that? So this would be the length equal to the integer, right? With no white space. But to match the output exactly, I'm gonna kind of do it my way. So what I'm gonna say is this, and then I'll do something like this. Something like that. Because I mean, it is better formatted. I know I'm taking up time in this video to like prove my point, but isn't it? Anyway, because that looks way more like the. Anyway, I don't know. Just being nitpicky, I guess. Update the previous code to repeatedly generate strings of random characters until the user enters in. Okay, so this is where things get a little tricky, and we're going to change it a little bit. So we're actually going to add a there's a string num, and what we can do is we're going to switch things up a bit. Take this away, and we're going to say this is now a string. What just happened? String num. We're going to take in the next line, and we are going to say that while this and this, I'm going to do some stuff with this. This is the. Maybe we should just tell me. Okay. Cool. So while string up, no, that's not what I want. String chart at 0 is not in and string that's so much. Then we're going to do some stuff. And I'm going to move this comment up here. Okay. Because what we're going to do is we're going to now parse the number into the int. And we're going to keep doing it like that. So then that way we're going to do it every single time. And it should run the exact same. So I'm going to say 5. Except, silly little boy, I forgot to do some stuff. So first, we need to take this away. I proved my point. So after we print out, what we want to do is we want to take in our string number again. Okay, so it stops the loop. Then we want to empty our range string. We want to empty our number. And yeah, because we're resetting our rand int up there at the top or in the nested loop. So that should do it. So we're going to say 5, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, in, and then it stops. And then let's give them a nice warm welcome because it's got to check the loop, or a little cute little ending message. And then we say S out, done. Five, 7, 10, 20, 2, and there you go, kiddos.